Welcome to configuring an iSCSI LUN for NexentaStor 4.0. Today we're going to walk through the entire process to get your first iSCSI LUN created. First thing you're going to want to look at is make sure within the data management you've actually got a volume already created. We're going to use our mirrors of 300 gig drives. Now go to SCSI target and we're going to create your first ZVol. You're going to want to pick that volume first. Now give it a name and description. We'll go easy here just with iSCSI. Then you're going to need to tell it what size you want it to be. We're going to just do a nice easy 100 gig LUN here. You are going to want to know whether it's thin provision or not. We're going to say no and set it thin provision and then set compression. You can set the other settings here as well. Click create and you've now created your first ZVol. Now we need to go create things like the initiator group. You create a new initiator group, simply give it a name. In this case, we're going to say VMware. We've already got a couple iSCSI initiators we know. If you need a new one, simply just type it in on the initial initiators. Select the other ones, create, and we've got our first group set. Now we're going to need to create the target group. The target group is already set with an initial IQN from the NexentaStor. So we'll say Nexenta and create the target group. Now we've got all the basics set. So we're going to go into the mappings and set it so that we know that that LUN can be seen from the different spots. So we pick the ZVol, pick the initiator group that we created for VMware, pick our target group for Nexenta, and then give it a LUN number. You can also give it a serial number here too if you want. Create it. Now we've got all of our mapping set. You can go back and make edits to it, see exactly what it is. Notice it's this 100 gig LUN that we had created, and we have all the settings that we already had. That's how you create an iSCSI LUN when you're using NexentaStor 4.0.